We are now looking at the lowest common multiple of factors expressed in index form. So the number one rule, or the only rule we must consider, is to take the common factors with the biggest indices or biggest power, as opposed to the highest common factor where we are taking the factors with the lowest power. So let's look at the following examples. Find the lowest common multiple of the following: 3 to the power 5 times 5 to the power 2 times 10 to the power 2 times 11, 3 to the power 2 times 5 to the power 3 times 7. So we've taken the same terms so that we express LCM and HCF from the same terms to enable us to see the difference. On number one, what's the solution? We write the LCM. The first step is to find common factors. Here 3 is a common factor, is found in both terms. So 3 here, 3 here. So this is the power 2, this is the power 5. And now we take the power, the highest power factor with the highest power is 3 to the power 5. And we go to the next on 5. Highest power is 3, so we write 5 to the power 3. We go on the 7s. The highest power is 2, we take the highest. And 11 is not a common factor. We multiply again on the LCM. This becomes our final answer. Let's do it again on the second example. LCM is equals to, we have the common terms here, which is the first step. Find the common terms. We have 2 here. Highest power is to the power 4. So we write to the power 4. Then on the 7s, 7 to the power 5 is the highest order. So 7 to the power 5. And 13 is common in 2 terms. Therefore, we just look on those 2 terms and take the highest power. Here we have 13 and 13 to the power 2. Then we take 13 squared and we write here. And 11 is not a common factor. We write it on the answer. Everything that is not common, we end up multiplying it on the LCM. That's how we find LCM. That's the difference with the HCF, where factors that are not common are not considered, but under LCM, factors that are not common are considered last. We multiply them. This marks the end of our lesson. Few things to do. Find the LCM of the following. We are going to take the same questions so that we see the difference. Attempt from number 1 up to number 5. We have 3 questions with numbers, then we have 2 questions with algebraic questions. This marks the end.